If we want to integrate 2 plus tan squared 3x with respect to x, when there's a tan squared involved, we need to use the trigonometric identity that tan squared a plus 1 is the same as sec squared a. If we rewrite this integral as 1 plus 1 plus tan squared 3x, all we've done is split the 2 into 1 plus 1. We can then see that we have the integral of 1 and replace this using the identity sec squared 3x. This is equal to integrate 1 and we get x. If we integrate sec squared, we know that we get tan. This is a standard integral. So here we're going to have tan 3x. If we differentiated, we know we'd multiply by the differential of the inside function, which is 3. However, here we're integrating, so we divide by the differential of the inside function, and dividing by 3 is the same as multiplying by a third. Plus we have the arbitrary constant.